Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable or disable S Pen unlock on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on advanced features. Now in advanced features, click on S Pen and then scroll down to the end and click on more S Pen settings. Now here you will see a S Pen unlock button. So now it's enabled. So if you want to disable the S Pen unlock, then tap on this button to turn it off. Now first of all you have to enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern to turn on or off the S Pen unlock. So now it's disabled. So if you want to enable the S Pen unlock, then tap on this button again to turn it on, and this time again you have to enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern, and now you can unlock your phone with your S Pen. So just simply press this button to unlock your phone. So for the first time you have to enter your password and then just simply press this S Pen button to unlock your phone. So you can see I am unlocking my phone with the S Pen. So that's how you can enable or disable S Pen unlock on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.